Okay guys, this is a 2016 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum Edition. Send you from Real Deal Auto. It's a clean title, clean Carfax. Has under 100,000 miles on it. Super clean. Look at that motor. Good tires on it. Some massage seats. This has got the 4 screens on it.
Right? And no payments for 4 months.
So 98, 830 on the miles.
Yeah, it's like, it's not choose your own adventure. No, you get the whole adventure. And so that's the beauty of what we have going
360 camera. Heated, cooled seats. This does have the cooler in it. Has the remote, wireless charging, 2 keys, adaptive cruise, does have the lane assist, park assist, power windows, locks, power folding mirrors with blind spots in them, obviously 4-wheel drive. Heated steering wheel. Sunroof. Seat. Super clean. That's how you turn on your massage seats. VIN number. The all-weather floor mats. Suede roof. Seven passenger. Two sets of brand new headphones in here, never used. Power folding. Good look at all 4 of those screens. Super clean underneath. Don't see much rust at all. Some Michelin tires. Looks like all seasons. Super clean Cadillac ESV Platinum Edition for sale. Clean Carfax.